To replace your existing axle clamps with those that accept the wheelie bar, it is best to have the brackets off the ground. The simplest way to do this is to open your cart and lay it on its side to access one bracket at a time. You will need a number 2 Phillips screwdriver, a 5mm Allen wrench, and a 10mm wrench or socket. Begin by loosening the 2 screws attaching the brackets to the strut tubes. Remove the axle clamp within the bracket by removing the 2 nuts, washers, and bolts holding it to the bracket frame. Remove the old axle clamps and install the new axle clamp with the bolt, nut, and washers. Retighten the screws you loosened. Repeat for the other side. Now you'll need to install the wheelie bar receiver onto the axle clamp. Use the bolt and nut provided and secure one wheelie bar to each side. To use the wheelie bar, attach the axle clamp to your club booster, flip the wheelie bar receiver under, and attach it to the axle clamps. Then slide the wheelie bar into the receiver. To release the wheelie bar, push down on the release tab on top of the receiver to release the snap, then pull out the wheelie bar. We hope you enjoy your club booster for years to come. To check out our accessories or for more information, visit our website at alphardgolfusa.com.